Oh, great. Cue the intro. Welcome aboard, passengers. Mega Sim here. We need to... Oh, I don't think we're going to catch that one. It's expected at 9:49. We could run. Let's try it. Let's go. Anyway, welcome aboard. How are we doing? Hopefully you're doing well. Let's try and catch this train. Just about caught it. You're not going to see Rotherham Central now. So yeah, booked in the vehicle for some upgrades, so yeah, had that going on. So came to Rotherham, got an Uber because look at the rain. £4 for Uber, and yeah, trying to get back to Derby. But today is the first day, as you know, that the seats should be at the station, so Sheffield. So let's whilst we're heading home, let's go and have a look at them. But before we do, let's have our train real world, where we go to Sheffield and then Derby, stop at Meadowhall. So I know this isn't, my fault or anything like that, but what's really annoying is right now there is a cross-country HST sitting at Sheffield, and we are behind it at Meadowhall. So by the time we get to Sheffield, it's gone. Never mind. Well, I couldn't really do anything anyway because I got here early. My train's supposed to have been 10:58, not 9:58. So yeah, what a shame. But it's all good. We're at Meadowhall. Next stop, Sheffield. So this train terminates. We do have USB ports, which is pretty good. Nice little table. Lots of legroom. There's a reason why. There's nobody sitting here, so I went, well, I'll go sit down. Well, there were, and they got off at Meadowhall. Yeah, coming into Sheffield now. Yeah, that HST's long gone now. Here we go. Sheffield, we've arrived. All this video is all... Oh. So yeah, the main reason is to get home, but if we can get to go on these seats, because I have no idea, at point of recording I have no idea if the seats are here. Hopefully I'm going to have that at the beginning of the video, blah 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 blah, but let's try and find them. This is Sheffield. All change please, all change. So let's try and find these seats. There's Miles over there, and oh okay, so are they done? I don't know. No, they're not. They're not done. Wait for them to leave. It's still cordoned off. They said today I would get to sit on these seats, and I can't. Well, what am I going to do? These are first class seats. These aren't standard seats, so I'm going to have to tweet someone and see what's going on. Just bear with. They're nowhere near ready. Look, a TV showing views outside or an advert of Miles. That's not ready. Oh, I'm going to have to do it later this week when I come back up to Sheffield. That's annoying. I wanted to go on that. That was what it was all about. Well, it wasn't. It was to try and get home, but I wanted to go on these. I've tweeted EMR. Let's see what goes on. Let's see what happens. But yeah. Now I just need to figure out what train to get me to... 10:36 will get me to Derby. I'll try that one. Right, let's try and figure out what to do. Anyway, hello Miles, how are you doing? Let's go and wait on the platform. There's the train, come from St Pancras. I think this is what we're going on. Oh, the buffet car's closed as usual. So yeah, 8D, we're waiting for 8. 10:35. Just need to find a toilet. I'm dying for a wee. Anyway, right, let's go. But before we do, People are racing, but that's the one to Manchester Piccadilly. Off it goes. I think that lady needed to get on that. Well, it's gone. Sorry.
Available on the train. First class accommodation is towards the front of the train.
Now this is our train to take us down to Derby. It is chilly, so I need to get on board. Yeah, it's pretty cold today. I got a jumper on, but yeah, let's just get in there. There goes that Northern. Yeah, let's jump on board. Annoyingly, this one doesn't have the declassified first class, so there's quite a bit of first class. But I've checked and they all have the menus, so this train in particular is not a declassified first class. It will have a bit, but sometimes there is one or two, I think, out there where they do have a declassified first class. But as you can see, they've all got the menus. Yeah, let's get on board. Delayed already? Why can it be delayed? We're here. I don't know. Yeah, let's climb on board. Yeah, here's where the usual declassified would happen, but the menus are there, so it's still a normal first class train, as you can see. And that's it. Yeah, I think it's when it's half and half that it then becomes a bit of both. Let's try and find a seat, because I've not got a seat reservation on this one. So yeah, let's head to Derby now. There's no signal down here. I'm getting no signal. The Wi-Fi is not working, and because of this train, the signal is non-existent. I got like 1 bar edge for a bit. So if EMR tweeted me or anything like that, I'm coming back Friday. Yeah, the score's at Chesterfield and Derby.
Hey, good morning and a very warm welcome to this 10:36 East Midlands Railway service from Sheffield through to London St Pancras, calling at Chesterfield, Derby, Leicester and London St Pancras. We're expected to arrive at 12:36.
Coming into Chesterfield now. Yeah, drizzly weather. So yeah, I'm gonna get a taxi or some sort when I get to Derby to get home. Well, I'm not walking it. I don't think I would do that. So anyway, there's the line to go to Alfreton and Nottingham. Oh, I thought it was going to go off there. It's come back towards us. There is a red signal. Oh no, green now. So it was a red just back there. I was like, oh, maybe there's a train coming, but no, with the red, green, it's fine. I think this is it. There it goes. Coming into Belper now. Can't miss it, so that's why I'm starting early. Probably too early. Here we go. Here it is.
I'll see what I can do. I'll take the action. It's fine.
Down there. So coming into Derby now. So you've got the Citroen garage over there. Etc. Yeah, we're going over to level 6, I think. I have no idea, I've not checked. I'm just just making it up now. Yeah, we go over the A52 in a sec, and then yeah, into Derby, where I will be getting off. This train does go down to St Pancras, as you know, Leicester and then St Pancras, so it's a fast one. And here's the A52. Yeah. The weather's just as good down here in Derby as it is up in Sheffield and Rotherham. One big cloud, one big grey cloud.
Good morning, our service very shortly will be arriving at Derby Station. Our next station, please take care when stepping from the train to the platform. After leaving Derby, this service goes on to Leicester and St Pancras. You'll find connections here going to Burnham-on-Trent, Birmingham New Street, Newtox to Stoke Crew, service to Matlock and Nottingham. Do take care when alighting, keep your tickets with you for the ticket barriers. This is Derby.
Right, here we come, into Derby. Or maybe we'll get to see the roundhouse as well. Yeah, here it is. No, we are on 6. There we go. I thought it was. Alright, let's get off. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more. I know we didn't get to see the seats, but we'll try and get there on Friday, and hopefully the seats will be ready to have a go on. Social media links are in the description below. If I could get this video out, hopefully this will be out before Birmingham Cross City. So enjoy those videos coming up as well. I was not expecting this. It's at Derby. The seats are at Derby. I get to go on them. Right, should we sit down? Should we sit down? So these are the standard class, so let's have a look. Oh, yeah. They're not comfy. They're just standard. Not as comfy as Meridians. Just having a look here. The 222s do have a comfier seat, but you know, I'm going to try the first class ones on Friday at Sheffield. But yeah, let's have a good look. So yeah, these are the standard class seats, and they're not that spongy. They're probably a little bit better than the LNERs and the GWR seats, but they're not perfect. What have we got here? So we've got one plug socket and one USB for 2 seats. And we got the new carpet as well. Oh, what's that? It's probably from my shoe. But yeah, carpet's nice. But yeah, looking forward to going on these Auroras. But yeah, these are the seats. Just check the side. What's going on at the back? Oh, there we go. Get to see there, and there is a cup holder there and a handle there. But yeah, we finally get to see these. So yeah, Friday I'll see the first class. Today, standard class. I'm happy about this. Oh, there's a little hook there. But yeah, I'm happy that I've got to see them today. And these go up as well. Do they? No, they're fixed. That goes up and that goes up. So that one's fixed. Not sure why. Maybe that's the one at the window. Yes, it is, because that's the window and there's the handle on the outside. But yeah, I'm happy about that. Excellent. Right, we'll see you on the next video. That was a great end. We got to try the standard class. See you soon, guys. Bye.